Today we are going to draw and color pumpkin. Folding surprise.
Good morning, friend. Let's start drawing.
Color is life. Have you ever wondered where the tradition of Halloween comes from? Samhain. Halloween began as an ancient Celtic festival of Samhain Samhain. Celtic people were northern European people that lived in the United Kingdom and Ireland. 2,000 years ago, the Samhain festival was celebrated on the Celtic people's New Year. The Celtic people believed that on the night before the New Year, which was on November 1st, the festival marked the end of summer and the beginning of dark, cold winters. The ghosts of the dead returned to the earth for one night. During the festival of Samhain, people would light bonfires and wear costumes. The purpose was that they thought that it was one night a year, that they could also predict the future. They thought that the bonfire and costumes helped them to tell each other's fortunes. The Celtic people thought of these spirits as friendly. After all, they were ghosts of their relatives. They set places at the dinner table, left treats on doorsteps and lit candles along the side of the road, leading up to their houses to help their loved ones find their way back home and then back to the spirit world. Fun facts: carving pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns is a popular Halloween tradition that originated hundreds of years ago in Ireland. Back then, however, jack-o'-lanterns were made out of turnips or potatoes. It wasn't until Irish immigrants arrived in America and discovered the